Welcome to today's incredible showcase of mining power and precision. In this video, we witnessed the Caterpillar 385C Excavator at work inside a massive coal mine, where every bucket of earth moved brings us one step closer to unlocking valuable resources. This isn't just about machines and dirt. It's about the technology, the teamwork, and the determination that fuel industries worldwide. Watch closely as this powerhouse excavator turns one of the toughest jobs on Earth into a demonstration of strength and efficiency. The Caterpillar 385C is an engineering marvel built to handle large-scale excavation. With an operating weight of nearly 85 tons and a massive 532 horsepower engine, this machine is specifically designed for mining and heavy earth moving. Its bucket, holding up to 5.7 cubic meters of material, allows it to lift and move huge amounts of overburden in just a few passes. In this large coal mine, the excavator's task is clear. Remove the thick layers of overburden that cover the coal seams. Each precise scoop reveals the next step toward reaching the valuable fuel beneath. The operator works with skill and focus, coordinating seamlessly with a line of heavy-duty dump trucks. The process may look simple, but behind it lies careful planning and synchronization. Excavator power ensures fast, clean scooping. Truck timing keeps the flow of material constant. Site management ensures every load contributes to non-stop productivity. is more than just production. It's about responsibility. The coal extracted here will go on to power industries, heat homes, and drive economies. And while machines like the Caterpillar 385C bring raw strength, it is the teamwork of operators, engineers, and workers on site that ensures both safety and success. Emotionally, scenes like this remind us of human progress. Every bridge we cross, every building we enter, every light that turns on at home has roots in operations like this. It's a story of power, but also of dedication and resilience. People and machines working together to shape the modern world. The Caterpillar 385C Excavator has proven why it is one of the most reliable giants in the mining industry. From its unmatched power to its smooth coordination with the trucks, it transforms coal mining into a precise and powerful performance. Thank you for joining us on this journey deep into the heart of a massive coal mine. If you enjoyed watching this machine in action, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and leave a comment about your thoughts. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more professional, powerful, and emotional stories from the world of heavy machinery. Together, let's continue exploring the engines of progress that build our future.